I picked up something yesterday, but it was too dark for me to show you guys. So I'll be showing you guys what I picked up. Something I'm very excited about, and I got for a steal of a deal. It is an ACM modded muffler with bigger tips. So what they do is they take a stock muffler, they cut open these two parts, and then inside is two perforated pipes that go, I believe, to the middle ones, and they put packing over it so the sound gets muffled. And what they do is they cut this open, take the stuffing out, and then put two straight through pipes. But with the ACM ones, I believe the 4 pipes on the inside are a little bit bigger than stock, so you get a couple gains as well. I believe like in the higher end or something, but yeah. So, and also these tips are expensive. They're either like 200 or 200 per set, so like 200 and then 200. I believe that's actually how it goes. So in total, this is about like $1,000 muffler setup, because it's $550 for the ACM with the stock tips, and then $400 I believe for the tips and everything like that. So yeah, and I got that for a steal. So what I'm gonna do is see if the muffler shop up the street is open, and if they are, see how much it'll be to have them put it on. It's probably going to be like 50 or 60 bucks, which wouldn't be bad. I wouldn't mind paying that. But if they're talking about like 100, 120, whatever, for a couple minutes of work, then I'll probably just do it myself. But I really don't want to, because I just don't want to. So I'd rather just pay somebody a couple bucks to do it on the lift and call it a day. So yeah, I'll get to you guys when I get to the muffler shop, and hopefully they're open, and hopefully this is not a fail, because I really want this to go on. So let's get you guys a cold start, and also the first cold start with the Alpine MS tune. You know what? We'll just do the cold start right here and then go behind the car. So oh wow, that starts up way quicker. That's nice. Okay, so the tune definitely helps, and the start's a little different as well. So let's see. The revs are probably going to drop, and it's going to give you guys some sound. So let's see. That's a very tame cold start. It may do something, so I don't really want to stop recording. If the video just cuts abruptly and goes to the next clip, nothing happened. If it does not, something happened and you'll be watching. So yeah. So that's stock muffler. So got a decent vantage point to get some footage of the install. It's not probably going to take only a few minutes anyway, because it's just the 2 clamps, the hangers off, and then on the hangers, 2 clamps on. That's it. So the first one is off, as you guys can see right there. Nice and empty space, and the new one is right there. So I'll get back to you guys when the new one is on. Boom, they're all done. It was about 40 minutes, so that's really not bad. That's literally the same time that I saw people at ACM, which is Auto Couture Motoring, something like that, install them, which is the people who create them. And granted, it's just a modded stock muffler, but yeah, 48 minutes for the install, so that's pretty good. sound better. And it looks a lot better too because the tips are actually bigger. So money well spent. Oh man, and they stick out a little farther too. That's nice. Damn. Alright, hopefully this angle's better. Guess we just have to see. It really might not be, but that's not really the point. Just want to get some sound clips. So, let's see. Damn. That sounds good. Now the car doesn't feel so stifled or anything. Actually, I'm gonna go this way. Yeah, but this thing sounds really good now, and it's not like as you guys can see, there's still no drone. Like I'm cruising, my foot's on the gas, and it's no drone, so it's perfect. Not one complaint about this so far. Wait, is this even the right way? That's the thing I love. Like, you have to really do like a straight pipe or like a cheap straight pipe or something, meaning cheap quality wise, for this car to be droney and bad and uncomfortable to drive. But this is a simple setup, 4-pipe mod, and it just sounds amazing. Let's do it again. Like it sounds really exotic. Oh my god. This sounds amazing. I love it. Oh my god, this is great. Hold on, give me a second. Look at this. Oh man. Watch. Give me 1 second. No, gotta wait until I get to a more open part because I thought I was on a different street than the street that I'm actually on. So yeah. Oh, but this sounds so good. You guys have no idea. This is what I've been waiting for. I am so happy with this. My heart's racing. This sounds so good. Oh man. Like it just sounds so crisp. This, oh my god, man. This is beautiful. Alright, let's. Like here, it just sounds like a nice, strong car. It's not raspy anymore because of the smaller tips, and now the exhaust is more flowing. Because before, when you get to the top of the rev range with the tune, you can tell that the tune is fighting the muffler. But now, it's not. Like, it's just so good. And we're actually about to get on the highway in a second, so. Oh, wow. This is it. Chief. The chief agrees. This is it. I think this is where you get on to go to the highway. Yeah, it is. Alright, people. Let's have some fun. Right, and now it's gurgling as it should. Okay. coming up too. Just seen a 335i. Actually. Yeah, so I'm about to go under the bridge, so you guys can hear it. I've been waiting for. This is really, oh my god, yes! Woo! Let's get it! Oh my god, this is amazing. I definitely have to show my dad too. Oh man. This is it. Oh my god. This is, oh my god. And I know the sound is not going to be done. You can't do justice to the sound like in the cabin like this, and I don't have a mic or anything. But soon, sorry, I'm spinning. But soon, I'm gonna get my mic, and I'm gonna get everything to make this thing be as it should. Speed through these people really quickly. I never fell out of love with the car, but I'm like falling in love with the car all over again, like when I first drove it. And this is literally all it needed. Like, granted, I've spent a lot of money, like $7,500 on everything, like maintenance and mods and tuning and everything. Probably not that much, now that I think about it. But like with everything, I'm pretty sure I spent somewhere between like $5,000 and $7,500. But that's what you got to do when you get a car like this, just to make sure it's right, and then you can drive it for a couple months and do whatever you need to do and have it be relatively reliable, and then you can like supercharge it and do whatever else, or stroke the engine or anything. But this is amazing. Like, my mind is blown right now, and I'm really, really happy with the purchase and everything like that. So yeah, I can't complain at all. Wow. I can't believe it. Alright, I believe this is where I'm supposed to get off and swing around, but yeah, this car, and it drives a lot better now because it doesn't feel like it's so, like with the exhaust having less back pressure and actually working with the tune, the car is a lot smoother. This is nice. Oh my god, this is amazing. You guys have no idea, like, yeah. But that's the end of the video. I don't really have anything else to do unless you guys see a clip after this, which I don't believe you would. But if there's nothing after this, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. There's a lot more coming because I have to do flybys and I have to do all that. So yeah. water, motherfuckers.